Hi, this is Millie. Welcome to my channel. I'm a fashion enthusiast and today I wish to discuss with you the top 5 fashion trends which according to me would be simple and easy to incorporate in our everyday life. So before we dive into the list, fashion as we know it has undergone a huge change this year, especially with regard to what happened in 2020, the pandemic, the staying indoors that we all had to do. So I think we all ended up becoming kinder and more conscious and more forgiving. So by that I mean that fashion has become more comfortable. Of course, most of us are working out of home, so loungewear is fashionable now, and we would rather not be in those skinny jeans anymore. Also, we have become kinder to the environment as we have had time to delve upon these things and time to ponder. We have realized that it is important to not indulge in wasteful expenditure, and which also is really harming the environment in the long term. So there are a lot of trends which are going to be in the stores this 2021, and the recent runways have shown up some of the items which I think we will see a lot of. There is the shacket, there are those shiny leather pants, there's the fringes, there's a lot of sequins, a lot of influence to the disco period. But I would keep my list short and simple, and I would only concentrate on those 5 trends which I think is easy and we would be able to incorporate it in our everyday life without much ado. Also, I am a professor of slow fashion, or should I say that I started believing in slow fashion in 2020. So I wouldn't necessarily ask you guys to go out and shop to fit into these trends. I would encourage you, just like I would be doing, to shop your closets, hunt into your closet, and I'm sure there'll be many an item with which you'll still be able to stay on trend. So let's just go on with the list. The first trend is the Pantone color of the year, which is yellow. Of course, after a whole year of gloom, what better than yellow to brighten up of our coming days? Yellow, I have, of course, always been partial towards yellow. It's one of my favorite colors, and I have a lot of items in my closet to actually be on trend on this one. However, if you are one of those people who are a little scared on this, I would say start small, start by wearing a blouse, using a scarf, whatever you can get your hands on. And if you're still daunted by the color, then I would suggest that you could try its mellowed down cousin, which is mustard. And both yellow and mustard, trust me, they look amazing on Indian complexion. Moving on to the next trend, which is candy colors. Yes, I'm still on colors, and I love bubblegum pink and minty green and periwinkle blue, but I don't have any of these in my closet. And I don't want to break the bank buying these trends, which I'm sure won't last long. So what can I do to follow this? Well, I have candy orange, and I think I'm going to wear that and still be on trend. Similarly, you could look and in a closet and see what are the colors which you have. And if you feel particularly bold, you could also do color blocking, wear 2 of these bright colors together. It's there on some of the runways and it's looking very, very good. Okay, moving on to the third trend, and that is about sequins. Now, I think this is almost expected. After about a year of not partying, not meeting up, not getting together, people will want to come out and party with a vengeance. And what better way than sequins to look all glittery and made up and done up. Also, fashion this year is, influenced a lot by disco and the 1960s. So you will see a lot of these blingy things coming in. Now, for sequins, you could, wear a sequined blouse if you have one, a sequin skirt, or you could go all the way and wear a sequin dress. If you have none of these, then you could also use a sequin purse and still be on trend. Okay, the next one is the next trend, which I think is going to stay for some more time, is the accentuated sleeves. Now, if you ask me why I feel that this is going to stay for some more time, because the Zoom calls are still going to go on and we are still working from home, so you can only see this much. So you might as well add some interest, some detailing here to make the outfit interesting. So these accentuated sleeves could be, you know, these big puffs, could have some stitching details in them. Some of them might have, you know, like of cut work done. So all the variety. You may not necessarily have something like this in your closet. I, for one, invested in one such item in 2020, so I have it. But if you don't have, then you can give it a miss. It's not such a big one. Okay, going on to the final one, and this I think all of us should be on trend with. This is relaxed denims and relaxed bottoms. So finally, skinny jeans are passé. People have learned to be forgiving, and people have learned and moved on and learned to be comfortable in what they wear. So we are going to see a lot of relaxed fit jeans. They could be mom jeans, they could be high-waisted, low-waisted, medium-waisted, and they could be distressed, not distressed, but they're definitely going to be relaxed fit. So pick up your, you know, one from your old jeans. I'm sure you'll still have some stuffed away somewhere. And just remember that you need to balance it out so that the you know, the top is kind of fitted when your bottom is so loose, so as to still make you look kind of put together. So those are the 5 trends I wanted to talk about. Of course, there are many, many more. And in case you guys are interested or you want me to talk about them, please do leave your comments in the comment section below. I could do a you know, follow-up video which could talk about few more trends which are easy to incorporate, or I could talk about accessory trends which are going to be seen a lot in 2021. I could also talk about hair and makeup trends if that's what interests you. So let me know what you would want to talk, what you would want me to talk about next, and I'd be happy to oblige. Thank you. Have a great weekend, and see you soon.